So, guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, lead code contest 403. Yeah. So that day I saw Lawrence Bishnoi in the session, and today Salman Khan has come. What is happening? Nice to see both of you in the same meeting. Both are coming to learn DSA. One is trying to save himself, and one is trying to do the opposite. So, nice to know you, Salman and Lawrence Bishnoi, both in the same meeting, trying to learn DSA from Kumar K. Great job. Now, guys, in the lead code weekly contest 403, obviously there were four questions. Okay, one, two, three, four. Now all of you who have entered this meeting, you guys are intelligent and your IQ is high, right? So no way we are going to discuss first question, forget that. Coming to the third question is this one. This maximize total cost of alternating subarrays. We are not going to do that question also. Why? Because we have 85-hour dynamic programming course, right? It has now 85 videos, I think. So 19th number video is exactly the same question. Lead code again copied the question from our course. In every 2 to 3 contest, lead code always copies our question. Why? Because I think they're trying to copy the OA questions, and we have solved many OA questions in our course. So this is the same question, guys. You can go to the course and check it out. Okay. So that question is also done. Chalo, done. So what is remaining? 2 and 4. So let's focus on the second question, guys. So link to the second question is this. If you try to focus on the second question, yeah. We forgot, not we forgot. Let's give the congratulations, Raj. Raj requested me to feature him. So guys, please give congratulation emojis to Raj. Raj is a February batch student. He joined us as a beginner. He was doing, for loop if else, hacker rank questions. He kept on improving, and now see he's doing so great. 1200 rank. Great job, Raj. Great job. Keep on improving like that. Give guys congratulations emojis to Raj and be quick. Fast. So chalo. Raj ka bhi काम done. Now let's let's go back to the question. So if you go and check the question, you will come to know that they are saying that find the minimum area to cover all ones. So guys, this is not difficult. This is very easy. Okay, they are saying that we are giving you a binary matrix. We are giving you what? A binary matrix. Please find a rectangle which can cover all the ones in this matrix in minimum possible area. So this is nothing difficult. This is common sense actually. So let's say this matrix you have. You have this lovely matrix. You have this lovely matrix with you. Okay. Now there are many numbers like 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So guys, like this, n cross m matrix is given. N is what? The number of rows. M is what? The number of columns. So guys, if this binary matrix is given to you, can anyone tell me in the Google chat what is the smallest rectangle which contains all the ones in it for sure? What is the smallest rectangle which will contain all the ones? Use your common sense. Tell me the coordinates. If this is a rectangle, give me the leftmost coordinate and the bottom right coordinate. Fast. वो कौन सा रेक्टेंगल है जिसके अंदर सारे वंस आ रहे हैं और वो रेक्टेंगल एकदम छोटा है? So only Aman Kumar gave the correct answer. Row 0 to 3 and column 2 to 4. 0 comma 3, no, that is wrong. 0 comma Aman is saying कि भाई सर ये हमारा आंसर है यहां से लेके 2,4 तक. नहीं गलत है. All the ones should be contained, guys. सारे ones उसके अंदर आ जाने चाहिए. 0,2 to 4,4. Correct, Shruti. See, girls always do hard work in the program. Okay, I don't know about boys. 0,2, 4,4. So, guys, 0,2 and 4,4. This is the rectangle, which is the valid rectangle. You have to print this. This is the correct rectangle. Look, I'm showing it to you in yellow color. This is the correct rectangle. Guys, did everyone understand why this is the correct rectangle? Because all the ones are coming in this rectangle and this is the smallest possible rectangle. Guys, write CLR, CLR, CLR in the chat if everyone understood this simple question. There is nothing to, you don't have to use any kind of brain. 0 and 1s are given in the matrix. Find the smallest rectangle in the matrix. Rectangle means find the smallest submatrix actually. इस मैट्रिक्स का सबसे छोटा पार्ट ढूंढो जिसके अंदर मैट्रिक्स के सारे वन ऑटोमेटिकली आ रहे हो. तो येलो वाला पार्ट सबसे छोटा वाला पार्ट, इसमें सारे वन आ रहे हैं, देख लो. अब तुम चाहो तो इससे बड़ा वाला पार्ट भी बना सकते हो, बट दैट्स नॉट वैलिड. वी वांट द स्मॉलेस्ट वैलिड पार्ट. There can be many valid parts, but you want the smallest one. And what will you print? Area of this rectangle. Guys, what is the area? Did your 5th, 6th standard teacher did not teach you what is the area of a rectangle? Tell me the formula, please. I want to see how much you know, guys. Formula L into B, length into breadth. तो लेंथ कितनी है इसकी? 1 2 3 4. And then breadth 1 2 3 4 into 3, 12. 12 is the length. 12 is the answer. Guys, everyone right understood in the chat if everyone understood this question. Very simple. There is no genius required. Yeah. So now, guys, let's directly jump to the solution. There is nothing to be discussed here. Guys, you only think. You are given things like this, okay? You are given things like this. Everyone write feeling in the chat, or write feel. If they can feel that like this very big matrix is given to you. Can you feel it, guys? Can you feel it? Yeah. So guys, if you want to make sure कि सारे वन आपके बाउंड्री में आ जाए, if you want to make sure that all the ones come in your boundary, what will you do? First of all, find the topmost one. Guys, which is the topmost one? Can anyone tell me? Which is the topmost one, guys? This one. Then find the bottommost one. Got it? Topmost one done, bottommost. Then leftmost one. Then rightmost one. Clear? So whatever is the rightmost one, na, here your rectangle will be ending. Array, you don't need to make a rectangle bigger than the rightmost one, because after that there is no one. And wherever is your leftmost one, na, there your rectangle will be starting. And what will be the breadth? Breadth will be from the topmost one to the bottommost one. That is L into B. Simple, guys. What will you do? Can anyone tell me the algorithm? We are not even going to look at the code for this. What is the algorithm? You find first you will find the topmost one. Topmost one is which one? Which has the lowest row number. Lowest row number. Okay. So you travel the full matrix and try to find the just try to find the small try to find the one which is having the lowest row number. So guys, can you tell me, if you travel this whole matrix, what is the which one has the lowest row number and what is its row number? Can anyone tell me? Use your brain and tell me. Yeah, just tell me the row number of the lowest one. सबसे पहले ऊपर वाला वन ढूंढो. ये रहा दिख गया. ये रो नंबर वन क्या है? वन है. So 1 is the lowest row is equal to 1. Clear, guys? Lowest row equal to 1. Then guys, highest row, ऐसा वन ढूंढो जो सबसे नीचे हो. ये सबसे नीचे है, मतलब जो भी whatever rectangle will come, it will be like this. What will be the length of the rectangle? Length will be highest row minus lowest row. Clear? So easy. This is like no brainer. So what will be the length? Highest row minus lowest row. Guys, what will be the breadth? Now you will try to find the leftmost one. लेफ्टमोस्ट वन कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर है. राइट मोस्ट वन कहाँ? यहाँ पर है. मतलब ये वाला पार्ट ऐसा रेक्टेंगल बन जाएगा. क्लियर? क्लियर डू यू पीपल? So like I can take many examples. There is no end to this, by the way. But still, if you want, guys, guys, please tell me which is the lowest one. This is the lowest one. Lowest one is this. Highest one is this. So length is what? Length will be this now of the small valid rectangle. Highest one minus lowest one ka row number. Okay, this row number is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 plus 1, 3. Okay, so this indicates that the rectangle top limit will be this and the rectangle lower limit will be this. Then find the leftmost one, this one. Rightmost one, this one. It means the rectangle left limit will be this and right limit will be this. So this is what? Left column and this is right column. So right column minus left column is the answer. Clear to you people? So right column minus left column. Guys, what is the area? Jolly LLB. No. L into B. This much is clear to you people, right? Yes, it is clear, clear, clear. सलमान खान जी आप अपना हाथ नीचे कर सकते हैं, आपको देख लिया मैंने. So guys, this is the solution to this problem. Uh, Guys, if this much is clear to you people, everyone write understood and CLR. Yeah, Aishwarya has also come. Oh my goodness. Aishwarya, Salman and Lawrence Bishnoi. So who will be the saddest? Aishwarya, obviously, right? After Lawrence does something. So going back to the session. Guys, everyone understood, including Salman and Aishwarya in the session. Guys, is this clear? What you will do? Travel the matrix. Find the leftmost one, rightmost one, upper one, lower one. Do subtraction and this and then do multiplication, area done. Clear guys? Guys, please write CLR in the chat. Fast guys. Everyone write CLR. Fast, fast, fast. Yes, Vivek Oberoi. Great. Now, so this many things are clear to you. Now, guys, comes the important thing. Okay, this question has solved. Now, harder version. Find the minimum area to cover all ones, guys. Everyone start writing hard, hard, hard in the chat. 75 hard day challenge we have to do. So, guys, be ready for the hard stuff. Ready, guys? First question, second question done. Now the hard variation. Now I will tell you what happened with me, okay, when I was looking at this question and trying to do in the morning. So, guys, see, the thing is that I saw the question and then, see, guys, this is already difficult and then we don't get much idea. So, the thing is that when I saw the question, I got no idea. Just like you people, for 10-15 minutes, I got no proper idea. Then, guys, some idea came to my mind. So, the idea is that, guys, see, ये क्वेश्चन में बोल क्या रहा है? Try to find three rectangles, non-touching rectangles, such that their area is maximum and they are valid. समझ रहे हो क्या बोल रहा है? Guys, do you understand what they are saying? They are saying like this: a big matrix is given to you. Only 100 people were able to solve it out of 30,000 people. Afterwards, due to Telegram, it increased 300, but actual people were only 100. So, guys, this is a big matrix given to you. They are asking you something very special. What are they asking you? They are asking you that find three rectangles. Guys, everyone tell me how many rectangles you have to find out. Any randomly three rectangle, guys. This is not a joke. थ्री नॉन टच लाइक नॉन इंटरसेक्टिंग. टच होगा तो चलेगा बट मिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि इसके साथ ये बना दे, ये नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू फाइंड थ्री नॉन इंटरसेक्टिंग रेक्टेंगल्स. Three non-intersecting rectangles, guys. And what should be the speciality about this rectangle? Can anyone tell me? You have all these three should be good rectangle, good and valid rectangle. What is a valid rectangle? Valid rectangle वो rectangle है कि भाई if you pick it up ना, these three rectangles, if you combine all of them, all the ones should get covered. No one should be out of these blue rectangles. Do you now understand what we are trying to do, guys? No one should be outside of these three rectangles. Clear? Now, some people would not have even understood the question, so let's try to do some hard work. Guys, can you find any three rectangles in this submatrix such that they are covering all the ones and no one is getting left out? Can the lovely people find three such rectangles? You can find three such rectangle. No, क्या लिख रहे हो उदया? कौन से दुनिया से आप आए हो? हम्म? तीन रेक्टेंगल आपको दिख नहीं रहे? क्या हुआ है आपको? From this Milky Universe, right? Yeah. Then you should be able to see the three rectangle. Rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. Guys, earlier the question was कि सारे वन एक ही rectangle में आ जाने चाहिए. Earlier the question was saying just find one rectangle such that all one are coming in it. Now they are saying find three rectangle such that those three rectangles are able to contain all the ones. मतलब एक बार तीन रेक्टेंगल चूज कर लिए ना, फिर कहीं भी वन दिखना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो or else. Uh, Please talk in English. Uday, I am talking in English only. Only when I am cracking some jokes that is in Hindi. That you don't need to understand. Don't worry. Not related to your skills. Okay. So guys, आप ही मुझे बताइए. If after selecting three rectangles of one, अगर आपको सब जगह जीरो नहीं दिखा, कहीं वन दिख गया, तो आप क्या करोगे? It is not allowed. Yeah, he will meet you on footpath. Correct, correct, correct. ये तीनों को लेने के बाद अगर कहीं भी वन दिख गया तो सीधे फुटपाथ. क्लियर? गाइस, राइट, स्टार्ट राइटिंग CLR इन द चैट इफ दैट इज क्लियर टू यू. बी क्विक. या, Salman Khan sir will meet you on footpath if after three selecting three rectangles still there is a one somewhere. That's not allowed. Clear to you? Yeah. And to fully understand it, you need to have the context of Bollywood, or you will not understand this fully. Okay. For that you will go need to go back and search. Anyways, guys, so now I am going to give you some more metrics. Okay. So let me check if you guys are doing properly. And yeah, especially this Udaya Kumar person, you specially listen. Okay, it is for you only. Guys, this is my matrix and these are my three rectangles. Please tell me if my three rectangles are valid or not. I decide to choose these three rectangles. This one, and this one. Udaya Kumar, is this valid? Or others, is this valid according to the question? Can I choose these three rectangles? Can anyone tell me why I cannot choose these three rectangles? Can anyone tell me that? Please let me know, guys. Tell me the reason also. Don't just give me the answer. Because all the ones are not getting covered. So guys, can I do it in a different manner? This one, this one. Is it now correct, guys? So, guys, do you now understand what they're trying to tell you in this question? They're trying to tell you that find three such rectangles such that all the ones can get covered. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. So understood. Please last time लिख दीजिए so I can go ahead, guys. So, guys, when this question came, we what came in my mind, I will tell you. I don't just want to tell answers like others to you directly. I want to tell you how a person should think. Okay, those guys are asking me for finding three rectangle. Guys, can there be a easier version of this question? He is asking, earlier simple question was asking for one rectangle. This is directly asking for three. Is there something easy in between? कुछ छूट रहा है? Can we first not try to solve the question of two rectangle? अरे भाई साहब, पहले दो तो निकालना सीख जाओ, फिर उस पे जाना. Isn't it common sense in the contest that you first should know how to find the two non-intersecting rectangles such that they are covering all the ones? If you can do that, then you can extend it to three rectangles. This is how you do the problem solving. Not directly three दिखा और घुस गए. No, this question could have been asked for four also. Then what would you do? That's why. So the thing is that you need to be careful. So guys, let's rephrase our question and let's try to find the answer if there were two rectangles possible. Okay, two rectangles possible. Okay, two rectangles possible. Two rectangles possible. Two rectangles possible. So guys, if a matrix is given to you like this, where can be those two rectangles? There are very less possibilities, and that is the nice thing about this question. You can divide, you can make n partitions. Let's say this is m, this is m, and this is n. Okay, so आप क्या कर सकते हो? Guys, everyone start writing stick, 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 stick. Everyone start writing stick in the chat. You can bring a stick in the game. यहाँ पर एक लकड़ी को रख दिया, लड़की नहीं लकड़ी. I keep a stick here. Guys, I taught this stick method just few days back. Okay, clear? या मुझे पता तुम लोग के दिमाग में क्या आता है इसलिए. So guys, what will I do? I will try to find my second rectangle in this space, and I will try to find my first rectangle in this space. Whatever area I get from here a1 and here a2, a1 plus a2 is my answer if I am trying to do the partition of both rectangles at this point. Clear, guys? Now guys, when I do the partition, can you tell me how will I be able to find a valid rectangle in R2? This is confirmed now. This part is now confirmed कि भाई R2 दूसरा rectangle इसी के अंदर ढूंढना है. तो कैसे ढूंढोगे दूसरे rectangle को इसके अंदर, which is covering all the ones in this R2 region? Uh, Guys, if the region is fixed, use your brain, use your brain. ये R2 फिक्स हो चुका है, इसके अंदर रेक्टेंगल कैसे ढूंढोगे जिसमें सब वन आ रहा होगा? अरे यही तो क्वेश्चन पहले करवाया था, भूल गए तुम इतने जल्दी? This same question was done before. If the matrix is fixed, you can use this algorithm to instantly find a rectangle in the given area. अब यहाँ पर मैंने ये वाले पार्ट को फिक्स कर लिया, तो इस पर I will do the easy algorithm. One rectangle algorithm which will instantly tell me which rectangle is there, which is covering all the ones only in this much area, not in this left area. Similarly, I will do the one rectangle algorithm for this part also. मिल गए मुझे दो rectangle if I am doing the partition at this point. Okay guys, clear, clear, clear? Yeah. So now guys, is there only one way to do the partition? Now guys, everyone focus, Prem Kumar. Let's say this matrix is given to you. Guys, if I'm trying to divide vertically, how many partitions are possible? Can anyone tell me? I can keep a stick here also ना. समझो ऐसा ऐसा बहुत सारा है नीचे. या तो स्टिक को इधर रखो तो यहां से एक रेक्टेंगल निकलेगा और ये वाले पार्ट से एक रेक्टेंगल निकलेगा. गॉट इट? You will calculate the area and you say that that is the answer for now. But guys, there is one more possibility. You can do partition here also, na? It is possible that one rectangle will come from here, another will come for here. What is another possibility, guys? समझ गए? जितने तुम्हारे कॉलम हैं उतने उतने पार्टीशन बना सकते हो. Whatever the number of columns you have, that is the same number of partitions you can make in front of your eyes. Is it perfectly clear to you? So one, if you put the stick here, one rectangle is gonna come from here, another rectangle gonna come from here, like this. Guys, can anyone tell me why is Kumar Kesar trying all the partitions? I am trying all the partitions. I will check the answer for this also. I will check the answer for this and this also, because I want the minimum of all of them. I am not a godfather that I exactly know which partition is the best. I need to keep the stick everywhere. I need to calculate the answer for each particular stick, the area of the two rectangles I get. Whatever is the minimum of all of them, that is our answer, guys. That is the solution to this problem. Yeah. Clear to you guys? Guys, everyone write CLR. If someone did not understand this basic stuff, I cannot go ahead. What is the method, guys? ऐसा आपको बहुत बड़ा ये दे दिया है. This big matrix is given to you. You want to find two non-intersecting rectangles such that they contain all the ones. What will you do? First, you divide. Let's say you are dividing your area at this point. Now find the rectangle R1 which is making sure that all the ones in this are covered. Then try to find a rectangle in this R2 region such that all the ones are covered here. Sum of this and this is the answer. But this is the answer only if your stick and partition is at second column. But like this, you have to calculate for all the partitions. If the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say there are 9 columns, or let's say there are 10 columns. The number of columns is the number of partitions you can do. So for each partition, you have to do the partition, calculate the answer, and then find the minimum of all of them. We have only done vertical partition till now. Use your brain. Use your brain. सिर्फ वर्टिकली काटा है, अब क्या बाकी रह गया गाइस? रेक्टेंगल, जो भी दो रेक्टेंगल होंगे ना, तुमको सच बताता हूं, वो तो या तो वो ऐसे दिखेंगे, ठीक है, ऐसे दिखेंगे, या फिर अरे ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है ना. Let's say in the same row they are coming, then you have to divide them horizontally, beta. Your lovely rectangles can look like this also ना. फिर आप क्या करेंगे? आपका तो एल्गोरिथम चलेगा ही नहीं, डिटेक्ट ही नहीं हो पाएगा. हॉरिजॉन्टल कटिंग. Once you have done all the vertical partitions, now start the horizontal. Guys, if you consider all horizontal partitions also, then you can never fail. You can never fail. You have now considered all ways to find two rectangles. Now one of them will surely be your correct answer for sure. It is having more guarantee than your 2 to 3 lakh job guarantee program. Got it? It has more guarantee. If you cut the horizontal and vertical, all n plus m, guarantee आपको वो दो rectangle मिल जाएंगे. Clear to you? Great job. So guys, horizontally का समझाने की जरूरत है कि समझ आ गया. I will keep a stick here, try to find a rectangle here and here. Then I will keep a stick here, try to find rectangle here. Guys, I hope you understand. M partitions vertically and horizontally. How many cuts I need to make? N plus M cuts I need to make. So guys, for two rectangles, what will be the time complexity, guys? Lovely people, for two rectangles. For two rectangles, I will be traveling through all the partition, right? So n plus m partition, n for horizontal, like n for vertical, m for horizontal. But now comes the hard part, okay? So listen to me carefully. मजाक नहीं चल रही, ध्यान से सुनना. Suppose I am making a partition here. Guys, one partition takes O of one time, right? यहाँ पर एक स्टिक डालने को O of one time ही लग रहा है. But after putting the stick, it takes time to calculate the valid ना. अब इसके अंदर वैलिड ढूंढने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा क्या? और इसके अंदर वैलिड ढूंढने में भी तो टाइम लगेगा. So for each stick, you will have to travel this whole matrix again. O of n into m. Whenever you keep a stick, you will again be traveling this matrix and trying to find out the leftmost, uppermost, all kind of ones. Got it, guys? Clear to you people? So guys, n into m per partition. Everyone write how much time complexity does it take for each partition. कोई भी एक वर्टिकल पार्टीशन करो n इंटू एम. सो n इंटू एम पर पार्टीशन. कितने पार्टीशन है? n प्लस m पार्टीशन है, तो टोटल n प्लस m इंटू n इंटू m. So I hope it helps you improve your time complexity logic also. Guys, is it clear to you how to solve for one rectangle? Write the answer in the chat. I want to know from you people. Fast, 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 guys. Is it now clear to you for how to solve for two rectangles? Please write the answer in the chat. Don't waste time. अब किसकी बारी आती है? लिखिए लिखिए. Before doing for three, na, in the contest, I started thinking for four first. Guys, can anyone tell me why Kumar Kesar first thought of four before three? Any idea? जिसने क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ा उसको पहले फोर का सोचना चाहिए. क्यों? बिकॉज फोर लुक्स इजी. ये हम बचपन से देख रहे हैं एक्स वाई एक्सिस, समझे? पता चलता है कि हाँ, द फोर को बांटने का यही सबसे मेन तरीका है. एक रेक्टेंगल इधर, एक इधर, एक इधर, एक इधर. गॉट इट? So with the help of this four diagram, I derived the third diagram, three wale ka partitions. If you want to make, if you want to make, put three rectangles, what are the type of partitions? Here are the type of partitions which I put here in the diagram. T, 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 T. Guys, everyone start writing. T को हम rotate कर देंगे, rotational motion. These are the ways to partition your matrix into three parts. Got it, guys? This is the brilliant way. I drew this diagram on my whiteboard. Okay, clear? ऐसे वो तीन डिवाइड होगा. बताता हूं कैसे होता है. सबसे पहले गाइस, दिस इज अ मैट्रिक्स. आप ही बताइए. यू वांट टू डिवाइड इन थ्री पार्ट्स, ताकि वो थ्री पार्ट में तीन रेक्टेंगल आ पाए. तो सबसे पहला तरीका कौन सा है? सबसे पहला ये वाला, वर्टिकल और टी का डंडी राइट में. तो यू कैन डिवाइड लाइक दिस. Find R1 here, R2 here, and R3 here. That's it, that's it, that's it. No, it is not hard actually. तो तुमको पता चलेगा. अच्छा, मुझे इतना हार्ड नहीं लगा लास्ट में. पहले तो लग ही रहा था. So guys, see, the thing is, writing the code for this is hard. Solution is not hard. MCQ होता तो कब का हो जाता. It writing its code में ही मेरा प्रॉब्लम हो गया. So the thing is, guys, see. Guys, everyone write agree in the chat if they agree that this is one of the partitions if you want to partition your matrix in three parts. क्या आप agree करते हैं ये एक तरीका होगा? But guys, is this enough? You have to iterate through all the points. This point can be anywhere. You are going to go through n into m points. Okay, please know that. ये जो t है ना, ये इधर भी हो सकता है या फिर ये t इधर भी हो सकता है. So for each I comma j, you assume that it is the meeting point of that t and divide in three parts and try to find the answer, and minimum of all of them will be the answer. Guys, are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? Please let me know. I am saying that yes, I agree that there is this t partition possible. R1 rectangle here, R2 here, R3 here, but this dot can occupy multiple places. हो सकता है कि ये डॉट ये वाला बेस्ट हो, जिसमें यहां से टी बन रहा हो और यहां से ये निकल रहा हो. सो यू नीड टू कंसिडर ऑल द डॉट्स, मीन्स ऑल द सेल्स I comma j. So you consider n cross m. There are n cross m ways to do the partition now. Okay, you consider each cell and consider this is the intersection of the t point. Do the division, find for this one rectangle algorithm you will do on these three parts. ये पार्ट का लेफ्ट कोऑर्डिनेट और राइट कोऑर्डिनेट भेज देना वन रेक्टेंगल एल्गोरिदम में, एक झटके में बता देगा यहाँ का बेस्ट रेक्टेंगल. क्लियर टू यू पीपल? Yes, yes. So guys, do you know how complicated this problem is? First of all, you should know that there is a way to divide in t. Okay, Everyone write CLR if this is clear to them. Guys, जल्दी 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 आगे जाना है, आगे जाना है, आगे जाना है. Everyone now understands that there is one way to divide this into in the like this will be a good addition to our geometry and metric sessions. But guys, dot के भी तो अलग अलग possibilities हो सकती है. We will try all the dots. Now guys, do you know what is the other thing? Even after doing all this, still you don't have your perfect answer. This is only one type of partition. और भी तरीके हैं तोड़ने के. What is the other way, guys? One is this T. इसको guys rotate करो तो कैसा दिखेगा? This T has been discussed. What is the other way to divide in three parts? Rotate on right, rotate on right. T, 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 T. Yes, each don'ts different points for rotating T. So guys, another way to divide is this. यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ. Your R1 can be here, R2 can be here, R3 can be here. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट पढ़ा होगा 11वीं 12वीं में, ऐसे ही दिखता था, याद आ रहा है? So we are doing the division like that. Clear to you people? So guys, here also this point can have how many possibilities? N cross M. You will travel all the points, and then you will again and again divide like this, and again try to find R1, R1, R2, R3, and minimum of them is one of your possible answers. So chalo guys, you have known now how to divide like this, how to divide like this. Guys, अब क्या रह गया? Now what is left? Try to write in the chat, like show that figure to me. GMR Ashu, correct. अब पूरा पार्टीशन ऐसे भी तो डिवाइड हो सकता था ना, ठीक है. So this is your rectangle. You can divide it three parts like this also. Now this point will again have n into m possibilities. Iterate through all of them and again find the best answer for this part, this part, this part. अब ये मत बोलना सर, if I am given this part, how will I find the best answer for it? Finding the best answer for it, do the one rectangle algorithm taught in the easy question. But make sure you give the start point of this matrix and end point of this matrix. You will have to calculate start and end point of all the three matrices you are generating. Clear? And you will have to handle the corner case. We can do that also, but that is just one of the ways. Now guys, which ways are done? This was done. No. This is one of the way. This is one of the way. This is one of the way. Guys, which is the last way left? कोई रह गया कि कौन सा? रुको पिक्चर देखने दो. This guys, कौन सा रह गया? ये लास्ट वाला राइट? लाइक अपसाइड डाउन टी. हाँ उल्टा टी. किसकी किन किन लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा मजा आ गए. So guys, you can divide the matrix like this also. R1 here, R2 here, R3 here. Guys, clear to you people? Everyone write CLR, and again this point will have n cross m ways. So each point you will try to divide like this, find the answer. So these four ways are clear. Everyone write guys. Four ways clear, four ways clear, four ways clear. You will try all these four ways for all these points. So n cross m into 4 partitions are there. How many partitions are there? Can anyone tell me? N cross m for each point, but for each point again 4. So 4 into n cross m. For now. अब समझा सर ने क्यों बच्चों वाली ड्राइंग अपलोड की. हाँ समझ आया ना. आधे लोग ने तो ऐसे ही देख के पोस्ट लाइक कर दिया होगा, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई तो करते नहीं है. सो गाइस समझ आ गया, ये ऐसे होता है, इसको ऐसे करना होता है. क्लियर? या now guys, but there is a trick. Even after doing all this, still you will fail, still your code will not work. That's why this question is difficult. Okay, so guys, सिर्फ चार तरीके नहीं है. पोस्ट में पढ़ो मैंने क्या लिखा है. Can anyone read this line please? Read it guys. Part these four are the main types, but there are actually 6 type. Horizontal vertical जो 2 में किया था वो भूल कैसे गया? Yeah. So guys, it can happen ना that one rectangle is like this, one rectangle is like this. अब ये कोई टी पार्ट में आ ही नहीं पाएगा. कोई भी टी पार्ट बना लो आप, एक एक पार्ट में एक एक नहीं आ पाएगा. So 2 vertical lines are needed. You will iterate the two vertical lines. All pairs of vertical line iteration will be done. एक तो V1 हो सकता है, एक तो V2 हो सकता है. V1 कॉमा V2 को इटरेट मार दो I कॉमा J को, और सारे पॉसिबिलिटी ले लो V1 V2 के, और वर्टिकली सारे आ जाएंगे. सो गाइज, vertically also there will be, m square possibilities if you're trying to divide vertically. So m square possibilities to when you're trying to divide vertically. So guys, when vertical divisions are done, which is the last one remaining? Can anyone tell me in the chat, guys? Fast, clear, quick, 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 quick. Horizontal. Guys, you will try to iterate this and this all the ways possible. Got it? So total कितने तरीके हो गए? लग गई ना पूरी? 4 into n cross m plus m square वर्टिकल वालों के लिए, और ये these are just the number of partitions. फॉर ईच पार्टीशन कितना काम करना पड़ता है? m क्रॉस n इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसलिए कंस्ट्रेंट इतने छोटे दिए थे. गॉट इट? सो इट इज लाइक n क्यूब m क्यूब सोल्यूशन. ओके, बट दिस स्टिल वर्क्स. ओके, so guys, write enjoyed and brilliant in the chat if you understood everything. Yeah, I was a little fearing to take this session, but then I took the risk anyways. Now I'll explain the code also, don't worry. और क्या है? n m n into n. These are just the number of partitions. हर partition में फिर से nm time लगता है to visit the whole matrix and find the leftmost and uppermost one. Why have to visit whole matrix? कैसा भी partition कर लो, जो भी पार्ट है, तीनों पार्ट को विजिट करोगे तो पूरे मैट्रिक्स को विजिट करोगे, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, क्लियर क्लियर क्लियर. नाउ गाइज, या सो गाइज, टेल मी what will be the rough time complexity after you solve this equation, guys? देखो, ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ, ये सबको निकालो. ये स्क्वायर आ रहा है यहां से बाहर निकल के, एन एम को इक्वल मान लो. और यहां पर भी रुको चेक करने दो, बहुत बड़ा नंबर आ रहा है क्या? 30 into 30 n⁴. सो गाइज, 30⁴ कितना होता है? जरा चेक करना. 30⁴, बिकॉज n इज 30. कितना होता है? चैट में लिखिए, जल्दी 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 लिखिए यार, टाइम नहीं है. कुमार के सर डज नॉट हैव टाइम. राइट इन द चैट. 30⁴ जो भी है 10⁷ 8 से छोटा है ना, तो सॉल्व हो जाएगा. क्लियर गाइस? क्लियर टू यू? राइट CLR इन द चैट. नाउ कोड, C++ कोड. नाउ आई वाज नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो मैंने क्या हरकत की थी. मैं मैक्स लिख के आ गया उधर, और फिर 1 ही मिनट बचा था, सबमिट किया नहीं हुआ, फिर मीन लिखा तो पास हो गया. तो ऐसी हरकतें आपको नहीं करनी है. क्लियर? फिर बाद में बहुत दुख होगा. सो नाउ going to the solution. So guys, see, this is the code. Okay, I will try to explain, don't worry. ये जावा नहीं देखना है. So guys, please focus on the code now. Okay guys, focus. Everyone write focus in the chat. Guys, you are not focusing. डरना मत गाइस, एकदम सिंपल है. देखिए 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 गाइस, कोड देखिए, कोड कोड. सो गाइस, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, सी, मैंने बोला था ना, आई विल ट्राई ऑल पार्टीशंस. कितने? 4 into n into m. आई एम ट्रेवलिंग ऑल द पॉइंट्स, और हर पॉइंट के चार चार तरीके टी बनाने के. तो मैं सारे पॉइंट ट्रेवल कर रहा हूं, देख लो. आई और जे, ऑल पॉइंट्स आई एम ट्रेवलिंग. कितने तरीके गाइस? द एरिया फॉर फर्स्ट टी, एरिया फॉर सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ टी, एरिया फॉर 3 टाइप ऑफ 3, एरिया फॉर 4th टाइप ऑफ टी. चारों टी ये इनकी शक्लें. ठीक है, तो इन चारों का एरिया निकाला. ऑब्वियसली जो इनका मिनिमम है वही लूंगा, मैक्स मत लेना, नहीं तो लग जाएगी. मिनिमम क्या लेंगे गाइस? मिनिमम. मैक्स का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, पूरा ही ट्रायंगल वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा. सो यू टेक मिनिमम, and then guys, out of these quantities also take minimum. Okay, that's it guys. All 4 variations done. Now guys, what is left? Can anyone tell me in the chat? We have done the 4 t's. Now what is left after this code? The 2 horizontal and vertical stuff. So guys, see, the vertical lines I'm iterating, there can be two vertical lines, na, pair of all vertical lines. first vertical line from 0 to m minus 3, second vertical line always plus 1 of the first vertical line and m minus 2. जब तीन वर्टिकल लाइन डाल रहे हो, this is vertical line at v1 index v2, so this will be what? R1, R2, R3. So you can see guys that R1, R2, R3, add some of them and keep on taking the minimum. Guys, similarly horizontally, simple, done. But yeah, there is a function. वो function I did not tell you how it is. This is the function. This function tells you the lowest one, topmost one, rightmost one, leftmost one, and the area. ये आपको बच्चे लोग को calculate करना आता है. And guys, this is done. Okay. Java and Python codes also exactly same. You guys can check and hope you guys understood and enjoyed everything. Okay.